Recently, around 4-5 days back, Medium suspended a few accounts, not a few, quite some accounts, and also removed them from the Medium Partner Program. Now, I want to discuss what are the things that people are doing wrong and what are the things that you should not be doing on Medium. But before getting into the video, let me also inform you that Medium is also making a lot of mistakes, which means it is suspending accounts that are not supposed to be suspended. And I'm telling this because there was this article that was published from Medium, and I was going through the comments. Even someone I know was recently suspended, and we have no valid reason for that. And I was going through the comments on that article, and I saw a lot of people were complaining that they did not do anything wrong and still their accounts were suspended. So from that, I can tell you that there's something wrong with the algorithm or the team. But other than that, a lot of people are making these mistakes, which is why their accounts were suspended. So let me tell you what those mistakes were. And this is not something that I'm telling you, this is what Medium had published. That is what I am communicating to you through this video. One of the things that Medium does not support is when you comment just for the sake of engagement, like thoughtless comments that you can see over here. Medium does not support this kind of engagement. Now, when I had joined Medium, engagement was not a big metric. People were getting paid mainly for the reading time. If somebody comes on your Medium story or article and they read it for a long time, if your reading ratio is good, then you'll get paid more. But if people are not reading your article entirely, they're leaving after reading maybe 20%, 30%, or even less than that, then you will earn less. So that's how it was calculated. But over time, Medium changed the algorithm, and they said that engagement is also going to be a metric, a very important one for understanding how much people will earn and things like that, which led people to fake engagement or engaging, just for the sake of the money, which means people are commenting without any genuine intention. Maybe they are not even reading the articles, just opening and commenting. Otherwise, you will not find nice or great article in a Medium story. If that is what I am feeling after reading a story, I will not comment. I'll not even read the entire thing if that's the only thing that's coming to my mind while reading it. So that shows Medium that you are not here for the right reasons, and this is one of the reasons why Medium suspended a lot of accounts. The second thing is low quality AI generated posts. Now, if I remember, almost all the videos I have made regarding Medium, I've always said that do not use AI to write the content. But I keep getting comments and questions that should I use AI? Can I use AI? You can, but if you don't know how to use it the right way, your account will get suspended, because Medium is not here to appreciate, get rich quick scheme. They want genuine good writing, people who want to share their experience, share their research, share their efforts, the hard work. They want to see that. So over there, in a platform like that, in a space like that, if you are just putting out AI generated content where you are not doing any hard work, you are not putting anything of your own, it will not work. So you can use AI to make your content better. You can, use it the right way, but the content should come from you. And Medium also mentioned that along with this AI generated content, which is low quality, they are also seeing that for increased engagement, people are creating accounts themselves. They are creating multiple accounts, and maybe they are joining Medium Partner Program from that. They are coming and engaging on their own article from those profiles to increase the payment and things like that. Now, Medium has found that out, and based on that also, they have suspended a lot of accounts. So again, I mean, you cannot use these, these unethical ways to grow on Medium or to earn money on Medium. The next thing that you should not do is joining engagement circles, which means a lot of people, this is not just on Medium, it's also very much there on LinkedIn, that there are people who create these groups, and there are maybe, let's say, 50, 100 people in these groups who share their posts every day. Maybe it's a WhatsApp group, they share their posts every day, and you have to like go and engage on every post. Those people will come and engage on your posts, and the problem with this is that this is not genuine. Again, it is done to increase the engagement, and most people are maybe not even reading the post. They are using AI to do the engagement, which is they are giving the entire post to AI, asking it to create a comment and things like that. And when you do that on the same accounts every day, then it becomes very evident, and again, Medium does not appreciate that. So if you are part of engagement circles and things like that, you should not do that. Again, it's not just for the comments but also the claps. Same thing, when you are a part of an engagement group, you clap for someone, the same person comes and claps for you, and it doesn't work like that. Yes, you can support certain people, you can read all their posts, you can really enjoy and comment on every post of theirs, but it shouldn't be like this, for your own profit. It should be genuine. And at the end of this article, Medium mentioned that they want you to be human. Whether you are writing comments or whether you are writing the articles, it is important that you come from your own experience. And if you don't know how to use AI the right way, do not. Because obviously, if you don't know how to do it right, your articles, your comments, everything will be low quality. And the algorithm or the people behind Medium will be able to detect that, and you will get suspended. I love what Medium mentioned about being human. It said that hacks don't work. There are no shortcuts to quality and success. Use your own words. Don't use AI or plagiarism in your stories. Yes, plagiarism is also a big issue. You cannot copy someone else's content, or maybe it's there on a different platform, you copy it from there and use it in your own Medium story. You cannot do all these things. Next is make an effort, be thoughtful and intentional in all your writing. The reason I'm not able to write or post as frequently as I'd like on Medium is because I am very thoughtful about what I put out on Medium. I always want to share my personal experiences and just write things that I'm proud of. So it's not always possible, especially when I have a lot of client work. I have to put a lot of thought into their work, which gives me, or which takes away all my energy that I cannot put into what I want to do on Medium. So when I am not able to be thoughtful, I just do not write on Medium. So I think that's something that you should do. If you don't have enough time or energy, you should not put out low quality work. Next, authentic engagement only. Don't engage just to earn or drive attention, something I mentioned throughout this video. And no exceptions, all accounts are held to these standards. So this applies to each and every account. There's no discrimination, no exception, and everybody who will make these mistakes will get suspended or banned on Medium. So that's it. This is what I wanted to share with you in this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'm not always able to reply to your comments or your emails, but I really appreciate your support, and I really hope that you make it big on Medium and you do it the right way. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.